Looking for furnace inspection in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how essential a well-maintained furnace is to keeping your home warm and energy efficient. Our expert furnace inspection service helps identify potential issues before they become costly repairs, ensuring your system operates safely and efficiently all year. Whether you're experiencing uneven heating, high energy bills, or just need routine maintenance, we've got you covered. In Strathcona County, seasonal changes put extra strain on heating systems. That's why our certified technicians provide thorough inspections, detecting any issues early to keep your furnace running at peak performance. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get trusted expertise, transparent pricing, and top-rated service tailored to your home's needs. Don't wait for a breakdown. Schedule your furnace inspection today and keep your home comfortable all season long.